Hello, my name is Mark DiMatteo from MarineMax in Norwalk, Connecticut, and today I'm standing on a brand new model from Scout Boats. It's the all-new 260 LXF. This particular model comes complete with 200 horsepower Yamaha motors. Come aboard, I'm going to take you on a quick tour of all the cool options on this boat. Okay, starting here at the transom, you'll see this boat is optioned with a ski tow. You see 4 rod holders across the back here, but just hold that thought for a second. Right here, we have a nice fold-away transom seat, and you have really nice bolster cushion to lean against when you're fishing. We have a live well off to the port side, and grand total, there are 14 rod holders right here at the transom. That's amazing, including the rocket launchers up top, where you have 4 more. Here you have a nice little bait counter. You have a space for a Yeti cooler. We have a dedicated storage for your trash can and your tackle storage. Easily accessible. Oh, and don't forget, you got a bottle opener. I don't know what that's for. Oh, and a sink. Very convenient. A couple cup holders, place for your knives to drop in here. Follow me around here to the helm. We have single Garmin screen here. We're leaving it this way so you can option whatever else you want, and we can dealer install anything else. We can add an additional screen, or we can put some other support material you would like to put in there. You have hot buttons up here. Turn on all your lights, your spreader lights, your navigation lights. Your horn is up here. Keeps the dash nice and clean. We also have 2 inductive phone charger holders right here on the left and the right hand side of the screens. Here's your Bluetooth stereo and a digital throttle and shift control. So it's all fly-by-wire. Now let's head up to the bow. So we have, this boat is optioned with 2 optionable, removable forward backrests for forward seating. If you're fishing, it's a little something you can kind of lean against. Relaxing on the weekends with the family, it's a nice sort of chaise lounge feel to it. We have a bow filler cushion in this boat. We have an automatic windlass that can be controlled by foot pedals right up there on the bow. And one of my favorite things is look at all this storage. You know, everybody comes on a boat, brings a bag. No lack of storage on this boat. So I'm standing here on the head of the 260S LXF. Now I'm 5'9", 5'10" with heels on, and I can stand up perfectly straight with a couple inches above me. As you'll see behind me is a head, of course. That's why I'm in the head. And over here, there's easy access if you needed to service anything, any of your wires. Panels going up behind the helm. Behind me is easy access to all the batteries. And this is your main switching panel here. Now, you see all these knobs, but it really has automatic switching. So you just kind of press and hold the button, and it automatically turns all the switches on. Neat little feature here at Scout. So before I sign off, I want you to take a quick look at the carbon fiber that's wrapped around the structure leading up to the hardtop. It just glistens in the sun. What is my favorite new option for Scout? Every year they come out with something that just wows you. And on this boat, this is it. It is an option, and it's on this boat. This boat is on the ground here in Norwalk, Connecticut, available for immediate delivery, or we can just wrap it up like in a blanket and save it for you for spring delivery. I look forward to hearing from you. My name is Mark DiMatteo, MarineMax Norwalk, Connecticut. Ask for me. Give me a call. I look forward to getting you out on the water.